Okay, I wanted to take a second to look at this problem, the integral from of 625 x cubed e to the 5x dx. And this is a great problem to use. You can use integration by parts, but it's actually more fun to use the tabular method with integration by parts. First thing you can know is that, of course, the 625 is just tagging along. So when you use the tabular method with integration by parts, if you have a polynomial that you can integrate down, differentiate down to 0, and then another term that's easy to integrate, which this is, then this, this is a great candidate for integration by parts. So what you do is you figure out what your u is and what your dv is. Your u is going to be x cubed, and you're just going to differentiate that down to 0. So of course you'll have 3x squared, then 6x, then 6, and then 0. Now the dv is e to the 5x, and the antiderivative of e to the 5x is 1/5 e to the 5x. Then you do that again, you're going to get 1/25 e to the 5x. And again, you're going to get 1 over 125 e to the 5x. And then finally, 1 over, let's see, 125 times 5. So 5 to 625. I should have done that. Sorry. 1 over 625 e to the 5x. And then you just draw lines here, which is going to be the process of, you're going to multiply the u times the dv, and then you're going to alternate signs. So this is going to be addition, this is going to be subtraction, this is going to be addition, this is going to be subtraction. So your answer is going to have 625, and then you'll have the x cubed times the 1/5 e to the 5x. So we'll have 1/5 x cubed e to the 5x minus, let's see, that's going to be 3/25 x squared e to the 5x plus 6 over 125 x e to the 5x, and then finally minus 6 over 625 e to the 5x. And then you'll have your plus c. And if you distribute your 625 through, you can clean this up a little bit. 5 goes into 625, we just learned that, right? 125 times. So you're going to have 125 x cubed e to the 5x minus 25 goes into 625 25 times, and then that's going to be times 3, which is 75 x squared e to the 5x. 125 goes into 625 5 times, so this is going to be 30x e to the 5x, and then finally minus 6, because the 625s will cancel, e to the 5x plus c. So you can see how nicely that problem works out.